Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I prepare a hot cocoa station for my family to enjoy. First, I'm gonna add the snowman tassels that I got from Dollar Tree. And these are so cute, y'all. I could not resist these when I walked by and seen them. So I'm just gonna add these on all 3 shelves. And then I'm gonna add my Keurig and put it over here. Okay, next I want to add my K-cups. And I just stuck them in a little tin pan. And I'm going to set that up there. I also want to add some hot cocoa. And I already put my cocoa in a little cup. I think it's so cute with the little Santa Claus. That is so cute. I'm going to set that right there. I want to add some marshmallows. Can't have hot cocoa without marshmallows. Everybody knows that. So, I do not know what my scissors want to. Here they go, right here. And I love marshmallows. I love the smell of them. I could stick one in my mouth right now, but I'm not. And I'm gonna put these in here. And I got my containers. These containers right here came from Dollar General, and I paid $2.50 for each one. I'm gonna see can I make all my marshmallows fit in here. I'm gonna make it fit. I'm gonna lay that right there. Oh, I dropped one. I'm throwing it in the trash. Ooh, got them. And I love these containers. They are good, tight sealed lid. That is so cute. And, oh, I love these right here. Kisses hot cocoa, ooh, with the marshmallow in the middle. Oh my goodness, these are so good. I'm gonna add these in the container. And I'm gonna leave this one for myself for later. There. Oh my goodness. And you cannot have Christmas without these right here. The salt peppermint with the little Christmas tree in the middle. Oh, I love these so much. These are so good. Add that in. That is so cute. I love these jars. But $2.50, that's not bad. And right here, I'm gonna put my kids some cookies so they can have something to snack with a hot cocoa. And I got some shortbread cookies. They go so good and they hold up so good inside a container. I'm just gonna place them in here nice and neat. And that came out so nice. And that's it for that shelf. And on my bottom shelf, I think I'm just gonna decorate it with some stuffed animals and stuff that I bought from the Dollar Tree store. So Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with the bottom shelf and just decorate. At the bottom, I'm gonna add this slate in the very back. That's that stuffed animals. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. And I think I'm gonna hang this little Christmas tree right here. Look at that, it fit just right, y'all. And yeah, and that is it. Thank y'all so much for joining my channel and watching me put a hot cocoa station together for my family. Thanks.